Bro, can we talk about small content creators for a second? People don't realize how much effort goes into this. Like, you see a 15-second video on your screen, but you don't see the 2 hours of retakes, the editing, the ideas that got deleted, the nights staying awake just to post something people might not even watch for 3 seconds. Small creators be putting their whole heart into their content, and all they get is 0 views, 0 comments, and maybe their one loyal cousin hitting the like button. Meanwhile, big creators sneeze and get a million likes. Bro, some of them are out here grinding with nothing but a broken phone, bad lighting, and pure hope. Hope that one person will see the video and say, yeah, I'll support this guy. Like, we can do the bare minimum for them, a simple like, a comment, or a sub. It can literally change someone's entire motivation. It tells them, yo, your work matters. So if you're still here listening, don't just scroll. I am sure you are different from the people who ignore creators trying their best. Use this sound and spread the word and help every small content creator struggling out there. Thank you.